Frank Robot, hurry up! Someone is surrounded by the fire! Dr. Zig! Is that another trap? Oh no! Dr. Zig hypnotized Frank Robot! Quick, Jerry! Super Truck is eager to resume the game! Oh no! The robot is causing a rock slide! You need to destroy the rocks and set Jerry free. Time to transform! Super Drill will free the way. Great work. Jerry, you can go out. Super Truck, you need to stop Frank Robot from causing more harm. Frank Robot must be close. Look there! Is Ben sleeping? There you are, Frank Robot. Oh no, the trunks will hurt someone. Super Truck, use your drill. The trunk is heading toward Ben. Oh, that was close. Ben thinks you disrupted his sleep. Frank Robot, leave Carrie alone. Watch out, Carrie. Super Truck, do something. Carrie is out of the robot's reach. Watch out! Good job, Super Truck. Someone is here for you, Robot Fire Truck. Let's stop the Robot Super Truck. Super Truck is close to stopping the hypnotized robot. Robot, you're supposed to stop fire, not to start it. Fire is blocking the way. You need to take a detour. What are you planning with all that mud? Oh no! Lily is stuck! Nothing funny here, Dr. Zig. Don't worry, Lily. Help is on the way. You need to get Lily out of mud. Time to use the ST-3000. Tow rope. Nice choice. Dr. Zig is using the controller to direct the robot. The game is over, Dr. Zig. Oh no, Frank Robot is driving out of control. An accident is going to happen. Give it all you've got, Super Truck. Welcome back, Frank Robot. What's wrong, Frank Robot? Nice move, Frank Robot. Super Truck will wake Dr. Zig from the hypnosis, but only after putting him in jail.
Hey, Billy, you forgot one brick. Hey, Troy, are you going to help Billy? You need to slow down. Billy, get off the rail track. Stop before you hit the brick. Hey, Tom, Troy had an accident. Good, but he's hurt and needs a repair.
Bye-bye.
Shall we start the inspection? Your wagon is badly damaged. And your headlight is broken. But Tom will fix it all, right?
Yay!
Let's get rid of the damaged wagon. Are you waiting for something? Aha! Off it goes. Where are the new wagons?
Yay!
There they are. Which one will fit Troy?
Oh.
But he can't work without a wagon. Do you have others? There you go. Looks like a perfect fit. Looking good. Lastly, the headlight. It's also missing in action.
Hey.
Phew, let's fix it. Troy is finally back to normal.
Yay!
Ready to go back and help Billy?
Hey. Oh.
Tom, what are you up to?
Hey.
Aha! An alarm to alert you when something is on the track.
Hey.
Thanks for your help, Tom. Bye-bye. Yay! Off to the construction site. That speed is perfect, Troy. There must be something on the track. Thanks to the alarm, you avoided another accident. Always be aware of your surroundings.
What a nice day for a drive, right, Super Truck? Wait, is that Jerry crying? What happened, pal? It looks like he lost his wheels somehow, Super Truck. Jerry is sad because he's a racing car. Without wheels, he can't race anymore. Don't worry, Jerry. Super Truck will help you get new tires. Of course! I'm sure you'll find some at Tom's garage. Tom will get you some great new tires, Jerry. But now, you have to find out what's going on, Super Truck. A police car transformation? Great idea, Super Truck! Beware, criminals! Car City's best detective is on the case! All right, Super Truck, let's unravel this mystery. Wow! Everybody is losing their wheels, Super Truck! But who could be behind this crazy mischief? Wow! What was that? Matilda is chasing evil Dr. Zig. What did he do this time? Good call, Super Truck. Matilda might need some help to arrest him. Super Truck, watch out! Phew, that was close. Of course! It was Dr. Zig who stole everybody's tires. Don't worry, Matilda. Super Truck will stop that thug. But you have to be careful or Dr. Zig might steal your wheels too. A helicopter! Good idea, Super Truck! That's right, Zig. You can't steal Super Truck's wheels if he doesn't have any. Give up. There's nowhere you can hide. Good thinking, Super Truck. Block his way out. Man, he's really hard to get. I think that catching him is not going to be as easy as we thought. Do you have any idea on how to stop him? A grapple hook, of course. This is over, Dr. Zig. Boy, you're really hard to get. But your luck won't last forever. Scared, Dr. Zig? Don't worry, Super Truck will put you down soon. In jail. Wow, Super Truck! Those wheels look swell! Did Tom give them to you? I see. Everyone got some new cool tires. Well, maybe not everyone.
Cool tricks. You want to play a fun prank on your friend Chili? Tom, any ideas?
Hey.
Slime gun. That's going to make for quite the prank. Is that Crocamile hiding in the bushes?
Hey.
Watch out for the slime. How are you going to get out of that slime cube? The bushes seem to be moving. Smart idea, Chili. Crocamile stole the slime gun. What's he going to do? Follow the slime. Where there is slime, there is Crocamile. Oh no! The longer the slime sits, the stickier it gets. Let's catch Crocamile. Good idea, Tom. The babies need to stay safe from the slime. Slime is taking over the city. Car City needs your help, Tom. magic carpet. Great idea. That was quite the fall, Baby Rocket. Wow. Hold on, Tom. You won't get away with this mischief, Crocamile. Bingo! You saved Car City, Tom. Thank you. How will you get rid of all the slime? Smart thinking again, Chili. Cool. Bubbles. Look, it's Crocamile. He's not going anywhere anytime soon. Are you having fun with the bubbles, Tom? Oh no. Babies, what's wrong? Babies, do you want to float like the bubbles? A zero-gravity ray. That's impressive, Tom. Do you want to be part of the fun, Tom? Who's that in the sunglasses? It's Crocamile. He's never up to any good. Babies, Tom, be careful. Quick, Crocamile is getting away. Crocamile, what are you doing with the zero-gravity ray? Crocamile is making a mess. The garbage belongs in the bin, not on the streets. Tom, you have to stop Crocamile. Oh no, how will cars know to stop? Look out! Is everyone okay? Crocamile is taking over Car City. Tom, Car City needs your help. A not-so-fast propeller. Great idea, Tom. Let's catch Crocamile. Not so fast, Crocamile. Tom's here to save Car City from Crocamile. Gravity is back. Car City needs a big cleanup. Great idea. Everyone can work together to tidy the streets. Gravity is great. It keeps everything in place. Car City looks amazing.
Yummy! Ben needs your help, ST. Someone has stolen his tomatoes. Matilda, are you searching for clues on who the tomato thief is? ST will take one side, and you take the other side. Are these tomato stains leading away from the farm? ST, it's time to transform and follow the clues. The clues are giving you a clear trail to follow. Matilda, did you see something? Oh no, ST! The clues have led right to your house! Crocamile, are you really helping ST water his plants? ST, I think Croco is up to something. Oh no, those are tomato stains. ST, those are the missing tomato cases from Ben's farm. ST, I think Croco set you up. Oh no, ST. They're the same color of stains as the strawberry cupcake stain on your cheek. Matilda thinks you're guilty. Sorry, ST. You've been wrongly accused. You have to go after Croco. I know you'll find a way to prove your innocence. Why don't you transform and break out of jail? Nice drill truck. Now you can drill your way out of there. Now go find Croco. Why don't you start with your house where the clue was? That sounds like cases knocking against each other, and it's coming from the back of your house. Quick, ST! Get the ST-3000 before he gets away! Good choice, ST. He won't escape the slime gun. ST, you missed. He's getting away. You can do this, ST. Stop! Matilda! Ben! ST has caught the real thief! There he is! ST was set up by Croco. Croco, looks like your time is finally up. Ben, you can take back your tomatoes. You are finally where you belong, Croco.
Sorry, ST, for the mistake, but great job for catching the real thief.
Hello, Lily. Taking the babies to school? It's sunny out. You should wear sunglasses. Watch out, Lily. Is everyone okay? It might be best to let the babies out. Oh no, your ramp is broken. Tom, can you help Lily? The babies need to get to school. Tom, are you looking into the repairs? It looks like Lily needs a new ramp. Oh no, Lily's bumper is also bent. Time to get going on the repairs, Tom. First, let's take care of that ramp. Hi, babies. The ramp is almost secure.
Yay!
A perfect fit. Now it's time to find Lily a new bumper. Which one would work for Lily? That looks a bit small, Tom. Great pick, babies. Lily's new bumper needs to be tightly attached. All done. Lily, it's time to go get the babies to school. But before you go, Tom has one last surprise.
Yay! Whoa!
Sunglasses, of course. Lily, now you can see everything when it's sunny out. Let's see how the new ramp works. It works great. Thank you so much, Tom. Sun safety is very important. Lily, do you love your new sunglasses? What is it, Lily? Thankfully, you saw that banana peel. Job well done, Lily. Nice work, Tom. Thanks, Massimo. Hello, Jill. How can we help you? You need guidance with creating a new road? Let's go to the lab. This is Robot Tom, who will assist you with your task, Jill. You promised Massimo to help him today. He's waiting. They'll be fine. They have your robot. Skylar is fully loaded with fresh asphalt. Let's get started. How is your new radio car? Nice. What's happened to Robot Tom? Babies are controlling Robot Tom? Oh no! Robot Tom is malfunctioning. He plays pranks. Jill, look what happened.
Whoa! Oh, hi.
Tom, your robot is broken. Robot Tom misguided Skylar. She poured asphalt on Jill. Do you have any other idea, Tom? A size gun. Amazing. Robot Tom is now a toy. We have to free Jill. How are we going to do that? Well done, Tom. What about these things that Jill flattened? Wow,
Yay!
that was magical. What do you think? Is it all good now? Perfect. Thank you, Tom. Yes, you deserve it after a hard day of work. You babies should be more careful with your toys.